Hello guys, this is Alan your 16CS006, and today we're going to do a sixth experiment in the web technology lab, which is using which is in JavaScript, using timer functions and object. So in this experiment, we have a digital clock which will give us the time, and some text, which when we drag it above, when the cursor we drag it above the text, the size of the text increases, and then we have an animation and the three buttons to start, stop and reset the animations. And then we have student details of the first name, last name, born before 1999 and born after 1999, and a show button to show all the students. So the JavaScript code of the program is this. Then we have the first division in the body is for the digital clock, and we are given the ID as time. And then we have we have two functions, in C size and DC size, to increase and decrease the function of the size of the text that we are putting. So the two texts that we are putting is the sun rises from the east and sun sets at the west, which is obvious. And then we have the animation that is of a car which will move when we press the start button, and stop when we click the stop button, and reset. The reset, that is, it will go back to its original position when you press the reset button. So this is the animation for that. And then we have the next division for student details, which has the first name, last name, born before 1999, born after 1999, and the display button for showing. This is the basic code of the text. And then we have the function of display for the digital clock, that for displaying, that is the hours, minutes and seconds. Then we have the function for the interval that in which the animation moves. So the interval is 1000. And then we have the function background color, so that each the background color changes every second. So we have four colors: red, blue, green, and the other color RGB. And then we have the function for in C size and DC size, decrease size or increase size. Then we have the image to move, and the three functions to start, stop and reset the animation. So when we execute the code, we get this. We have the digital clock, which will show the time, and you can see that the time is moving on. And then we have the text on which, when the cursor is put above it, the size of the text rises. And then we have the animation. So when we press start, animation will start moving, and then when we press stop, it will stop, and when we press reset, it will reset. And then we have the student list for the first name, last name, which is first name of given, which is the name of the given students. And then we have segregated them based on the year they were born. Thus we have executed the program successfully.